Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market right now. So fortunately or unfortunately, but market behaves really quiet in recent couple of weeks, so it seems that really we have the lack of some driving events that could push market one or other direction. So and you can see that almost action stands inside the range of the non-farm payrolls candle. So as soon as market has dropped here, within the 2 weeks it stands inside the range of this candle. Technically, guys, overall picture looks bullish, because if you'll take a look at the contracted chart, you'll see that action was really fast since the end of the November in 2015. Here was the consolidation, again upward action. Some most recent action is also shows some kind of the bullish signs, because if you will take a look at this ABCD pattern, so we have the AB and the equal CD leg. It was really fast. ABCD has been completed, but market after the completion of this pattern hasn't dropped significantly, so it just turns to some sideways consolidation in the shape of the triangle. That usually treats as the bullish sign, and just sideways action is usually treated as some building an energy period when the market is preparing for the further upward action, whatever it will be, whether it will be just a minor breakout or as we expect that this will be some kind of the stop hunting. This market really could jump up, grab the stops above it, complete some nearest targets around 1390 area, touch the monthly pivot resistance, and then turn to the downside. Or if the situation will change, maybe it will be even some kind of the trend continuation. But currently it's definitely just market needs some push, some really catalysis of the possible action that could give market the impulse for this action. Taking a look at the technical pictures, we discussed already that bullish setup will be valid until market holds above the 13 even area, because on the weekly chart here we have the bullish grabber that suggests the taking out of this top. Here we have two minor patterns, this minor potential butterfly to the upside, and we have the larger butterfly possible. Invalidation point on the daily chart, the most important is this butterfly, larger butterfly, and it will be valid until market will stand above this low. Only if market will drop below it, this will erase this opportunity and market could turn to the downward continuation. So in two words, we expect some short-term tactical upward spike as a result of this construction that we have here. It's also symmetrical triangles, also usually treats as the continuation pattern. But in a larger scale, as we have discussed in our weekly research, we expect deep retracement, because take a look again on the contracted chart. This action, guys, to the upside is the first upward action with no significant retracement. Here was minor 3.8 retracement after this upward action. Here is also even less than 3.8. On the way up we have no significant bounces. This bounce down, this moderate retracement should happen sooner or later. And as market shows the first upward swing after long-term bear trend, it still has long-term bearish impulse that was accumulated on the way down within the recent years, and it should be fade out. But to do this, market should show some deep retracement. We expect that this should happen in an area to the 1160, 1180 based on the monthly chart. This really could happen, but probably the starting point for that will happen only when the market will complete this tactical construction. The one way market could show it, as you can see here, we could get some kind of the hand shoulders pattern, for example, to complete this retracement or something of that sort. But this is a bit a longer term picture. We will talk about it when the time will come. But right now, as you can see, market is still calling inside of the tight range, inside of the triangle, and here we just could watch for what will happen inside of it. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the signs of the growing dynamic pressure. So we can see that although market is coiling around the monthly pivot point, as you can see, and challenging this top around 1360 many times, but you can see it's forming the high bottoms, and that could indicate that some more pressure from the downside to the upside is appearing, and the bears already can't push market to the same bottoms as it has formed after the non-farm payrolls release. This bottom was formed. Second challenge of this area, push down, market shows some higher bottom has been formed again, and other challenges also have led to some minor small retracement down. So you can see the power of selling is becoming weaker here. That's why overall this picture also suggests that probably we could on the next week maybe we will get some kind of attempt of the upward breakout. So we will see. Maybe in the weekend, guys, we will prepare some analysis on not on the gold market, but maybe on some other asset, maybe some currency we will take, because mostly, as you can see, situation hasn't changed even on the daily chart. It almost stands the same as the week before, and that's why it's really not much to say about the current situation here. The all analysis that we have prepared last week mostly stands the same. That's why maybe it makes sense to take a look at some other currency and some other assets in the weekly research. It's maybe not really interesting will be to talk about gold again, if we will not get something really outstanding today, probably, but it seems that hardly we will get something. Well, that's all that we see right now in the gold market. Market just forces us to be a bit more patient and see when the situation with this triangle will be resolved. Let's hope that will happen maybe on the next week.